Okay guys, what I've got here is just a piece of plywood. I think it's 3/8 inch thick. I had left over. It's 9 inches wide and it's 37 inches long. And the jigsaw, I made some lines on here. Just freehand drawing it. Now we're going to come out. Okay, this is what I got cut out then. It's not perfect. It don't have to be perfect. So now let's cut some little slats here to put on it. Now we need some waterproof glue. Use a Top Bond Top 3. And I've got a pin nailer here with some 3/4 inch pin nails in it. Now we're going to cut our strips here to fit on our board. We want them to look just like this right here. You want to overlap on both sides, then we'll trim off the excess. So let me cut a few pieces here, then we'll start gluing and nailing. Okay, I've got all my pieces cut now, and now I need to glue them down and staple them. We're going to put this one at a little angle here so we can make some eyes in here. Now that your glue is dried, take your jigsaw and go back over the outline. Now you don't want to spray too much because you want it to kind of soak up into it to kind of look like the bandages. So I'm going to spray this. I sprayed this one coat on here. I'm going to let it set and see what it looks like. Okay, now I picked up some wiggly eyes at Walmart, so let's pick out a couple of them and decide where I'm going to put them at. I think you look pretty good just like it right there. And I got a little thing of super glue here to glue them on with. Those are my eyes. Okay, let's let that dry for a few minutes and we'll set it up. Well, here it is finished up, sitting outside on my porch here. Okay guys, here's some of the other projects I've made in the past for Halloween. You can check my videos for how to make those. You just want enough wide on here to make it look like an old bandage. I mean, you don't want it to be perfectly white. I think the little eyes sets it off and everything. If you didn't have the little eyes like that, you can just paint them on there. And the plywood here, if you don't have a pin nailer, just glue and clamp it or set something on top of it to let the glue dry overnight. Remember, this is a simple DIY project, limited tools. As always, thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a safe and happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Leave now while you still can.